Welcome to Crassula, a leader in pharmaceutical innovation and manufacturing. Today, we'll take you through the journey of how our high-quality molecules are made, adhering to the strictest safety and quality standards. Our process begins with the careful selection of raw materials. Each ingredient is thoroughly tested for purity and quality. Next, the mixture is transformed into tablets using our advanced pressing machines. This process is closely monitored for accuracy and uniformity. Each tablet is then coated, not only to enhance its appearance but also to aid in proper ingestion and absorption. Our product range includes advanced bilayer and triple-layer tablet formulations, featuring compact molecular combinations. This design ensures optimal effectiveness while providing our customers with the convenience of smaller, more manageable tablet sizes for enhanced usability. In capsule form we offer standard, extended release, and delayed release mini capsules. Advanced health solutions in a single capsule. Once approved, the tablets are packaged in a sterile environment. Our packaging ensures product integrity and provides important information to the consumers. Offered in blister form with a choice of aluminum or aluminum PVC, ensuring optimal protection and shelf life. Our commitment to quality extends to our state-of-the-art in-house laboratory, a cornerstone of our quality assurance and control measures. From high-performance liquid chromatography to spectrophotometry, our lab is equipped with the latest technology. This enables us to ensure the purity, potency, and safety of our pharmaceuticals at every stage of production. Adhering to ISO 14001-2015 standards, we comply with the latest WHO norms and GMP, ensuring the highest quality in all our products. Crassula, excellence in pharmaceutical manufacturing.